So guys, what we have here is our EURJPY. We would be doing analysis for the week on this our EURJPY. I may take a look at this movement downward. We actually predicted this price. If you go back, I think I did analysis on this, especially on the day aspect. If you were following, you would have seen where we predicted this bearish move on this our EURJPY, which it actually did. Now we would want to see this analysis on the weekly aspect of it. So to better understand this price movement, so know the reason why we are going to be having such movements, would actually go to the monthly time frame. So monthly time frame is actually the time frame, to better understand this movement. Now take a look at this EURJPY. We all can see one movement, right? Since early 2020. So since early 2020, EURJPY has actually been giving us that bullish move. You can see the price moving off up, right? We are bullish, right? Now that is one. On this our technical indicator, we all can see here there's only one movement we are seeing up, which is a bullish move, right? So price is below 10 period moving average, and we all know the rules of trading with the moving average, which means once the price is above 10 period moving average, we are to go long. If it is below the 10 period moving average, we are to short it, right? So basically it is above the 10 period moving average, you are to go long. Now let's take a look at this trend movements. This is an impulse move, then a correction was made, right? Then we had another impulse move that broke this previous highs. So we can take it, this was the previous highs. Then we had a lower higher lows. This was the higher lows, right? Now we add new higher highs. So this new higher highs broke above this previous highs, right? Then kind of a pullback was made there. Then we add this new higher highs on the monthly time frame we are seeing it from. We can see that this new higher highs broke above this highs, right? This previous highs. Then another drop was made. Then guess what again? We add another new highs. Guess what? This new highs we are this huge week. If you to zoom it properly, you see it actually broke this previous high. So that is actually an uptrend movement. We are still on a bullish move. There is no turning back. We are still on a bullish move. We are very clear on a bullish move, right? So if you want to take this trade on the monthly time frame aspect of it, we have to go bullish, right? We have to go long, because if you look at the JPY PS, it has actually been dropping. Basically all pairs related to our JPY has been going bullish. So basically, as pairs are going bullish, then the JPY itself is dropping. So we'll be seeing that bearish move on this JPY. So monthly time frame aspects, we are bullish and we should continue to go bullish. Now let's roll down to the weekly time frame. Now let's zoom it out on our weekly time frame on EURJPY. I think this was around April on the weekly time frame. This is April 2020. Since April 2020, there's only one movement that we are having on our EURJPY, which is actually a bullish move, right? So EURJPY is giving us that bullish move, moving up. We can see this on our price came to this level, right? We saw it and we had a pullback at this level here. So we had a pullback at this level. Then we had another movement upward, broke this previous highs. Then a pullback occurred. Now another new highs happened. You can see it actually broke above this previous highs. So what we are seeing now and what we are on this weekly time frame is a pullback level. So reason why the week that just passed, we actually closed bearish. Even last week we closed bearish. Now we would want to analyze it for this week. Where do we think we'll be moving? One thing I know for sure is that this week is that we will have a little bit of a drop. Once we have a little bit drop on our EURJPY, we would actually move bullish again on our EURJPY. The thing is that our EURJPY bearish move or a pullback level will soon be over. Now, is the pullback level over? Definitely not. We are still going to be having a drop this week. We are talking about, we will still have a drop. Will the drop be over this week? Possibly this week. We should actually get the drop, finish this week, then a bullish move should happen. It will be more visible by next 2 weeks or 3 weeks. It will be more visible. The bullish move will be more visible. But this week we are analyzing for, we will see this EURJPY drop a little bit and push up. I will explain better. Just stick to it now. Take a look at this. This movement is above, right? So I mean, you see an uptrend. Now to better understand it, we will go to the daily time frame. So now see price reacted to this level here. We saw it drop. I highlighted it. Once price break above it, it came to test the level, right? So I mean, price break above it a little bit. So once the price pushes up, price tested this level, then pull back and go bullish. So basically it pushes up, take out this high. So I mean, we saw it, we analyze another level here. You see reacted here once, two, even three times, came here again, reacts, then a drop. Now, are we over on this hour drop? Then definitely not. We are not over. Where do you think we'll be over? I possibly think we'll be over at around 137.440 or at this lows, which I believe would be over, which is 135. Now, reason why I said we would continue to have that drop is that we would roll down to this JPY index. Now I want you guys to watch and take a look at it properly. See this JPY index, right? On the daily time frame aspect, we are on a bearish move. JPY is actually dropping, which means any pairs we are trading to our JPY will go bullish as JPY is pushing down. Now take a look at this index, by the way. So as at one time, this JPY index was actually ranging. We saw it come to this level, which we can take as a support level, then pushes up, which we would be taking as a resistance level, and it came down to this our support level, pushes up. So basically it's range, right? Now once we have a breakout on our support level, we know the rules of trading. It will actually come to test the support level again, right? So basically the reason why we actually predicted it on the daily aspect of it, that now that this price has broken below this support level, which was the previous support level, it will come to test the level, right? So the price came to test the level. Not only does it test the level, it even broke above it. Now where do we think this price is moving now? Since it has broken above the previous support level, it is that it is heading to the next level. And where is the next level? Our previous resistance level. So this is the next level, which is the resistance level, right? So we would see this JPY index actually go bullish till it hits this our resistance level. Then we would have a drop. Now as this JPY index is going bullish to hit our resistance level, then definitely we would be getting a drop on our euro to our JPY. So basically as the JPY index is dropping, JPY as the JPY index is going bullish, then the euro will actually be dropping to the JPY. Then as soon as the JPY index gets to our resistance level area, once it's our resistance level, then this JPY index will start dropping again, because we can now take it as price is continuing to range. We can see this area as a first breakout. If you want, you can take this breakout, you can see it as a first breakout. So once the price comes to our resistance level, we would be expecting it to come down to this support level. So as it is coming down to the support level, which means JPY is dropping, then we would see that bullish move on euro to JPY. So above all, expect a drop on our euro to JPY this week. So after the drop is over, then a bullish move should occur. So basically we can see it drop to this level here, which is about 137. I believe it will even break below it and come to this level to take it out. So I am watching out for this level, which is a level of 134. We are currently trading at a level of 138. So let's see the euro to JPY drop to a level of 134, then we might see that rally movement up on EURJPY for this week.